Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to collect rewards in Snake.io. To collect rewards in Snake.io quickly and safely, first of all launch the Snake.io application on your device and make sure that the game is updated to the latest version as well. Once you are in the home page, go ahead and click on the Quest button at the bottom left. And inside Quest, look for rewards at the top left corner and tap on it. Now, you will be able to see any rewards that you've unlocked. To collect the rewards, click the Collect button, and you will then be able to collect rewards. Look for any other rewards if there is one, so that you can collect it, and that's it. You can always come back to this Rewards tab in order to collect stars or unlock your rewards. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.